Welcome back, travelers. This is Taylor with the Vacationeer, and today we're checking into a massive fan favorite resort property here at Walt Disney World, Disney's Coronado Springs Resort, and we're heading straight into the gorgeous Gran Destino Tower. Today we're doing a complete walkthrough of a tower room to help you choose the perfect layout for your Disney crew. While Coronado Springs is technically classified as a moderate resort, stepping into the tower completely changes that game. It features the upscale styling and stunning architecture of a deluxe tier hotel, but at a lower price point. What makes staying in the tower so popular is the sheer convenience. Unlike the sprawling outer villages of the resort, staying here gives you interior hallways and easy centralized access to incredible dining, gorgeous lounges, and fitness centers all under one roof. Plus, for families, the logistics are great. You'll enjoy efficient transport access straight to nearby Disney's Hollywood Studios and Epcot, as well as the rest of the Walt Disney World parks, making it the perfect home base to balance thrilling park days with a unique, sophisticated resort experience. But before you lock in your Disney vacation packages, remember to contact the Vacationeer. We handle all of the heavy lifting, from securing the perfect room or suite to bundling your theme park tickets, dining packages, and guiding you through lightning lanes and VIP tours, ensuring your family gets the best value and a completely stress-free getaway. Reach out to your Vacationeer advisor today or click the booking link located in the description below. Now, without further ado, let's dive right in and tour the room. As you first enter the room, you have a wall of storage on one side and the entry to the main bathroom on the other. Inside the bathroom, you'll find a large double vanity equipped with a backlit mirror and a handy magnifying mirror mounted to the side. Directly below, you have plenty of storage space along with two cupboards to tuck your smaller personal items completely out of the way, which is also where you'll find the hairdryer for the room. These upgraded room layouts feature a large walk-in shower equipped with a rainfall shower head, separate adjustable shower wand, and premium bath amenities refreshed daily. They've also included a built-in retractable clothesline that you can pull directly across the shower, perfect for hanging up everyone's wet bathing suits to dry after a long afternoon spent cooling off at the resort pool. Lastly, the toilet is tucked away in its own private room with a sliding door. Right across from the bathroom, you'll find the wardrobe storage. Inside, you have plenty of hanging space, a complimentary steamer, a digital room safe that is large enough for a full-size laptop, and multiple built-in shelves to unpack your gear. Heading out of the bathroom and into the main bedroom area, you'll pass your dedicated refreshment station. This built-in counter houses your Keurig coffee maker with a premium selection of coffees and teas refreshed daily for the essential morning cup of joe. This station also features several handy outlets for charging your tech and a hidden mini fridge built right into the cabinetry below. These tower rooms come equipped with either a single king bed or two queens. This happens to be the two queen configuration. Disney really prioritized charging in these updated rooms, and set in between the beds, you'll find a small dresser topped with a lamp equipped with standard US outlets as well as USB plugs to keep your devices juiced up and ready for the parks. And just above the headboards, they've also attached a small adjustable directional reading lamp directly into the frame. Another feature for storage is these bed frames are elevated with ample wide clearance underneath the beds, allowing you to easily tuck away some of your larger luggage out of the way. Directly across from the beds is your main entertainment hub, featuring a large flat panel smart TV, and this system is loaded with live TV channels, resort information, and a massive selection of complimentary Disney movies on demand to wind down at night. Below the TV is a large desk that can double as a vanity with more drawers to the side, and a desk light with more plugs and USB ports built into it. Like I said, there's a ton of charging real estate in these updated rooms. And finally, in the corner is a reading chair next to a small side table that houses the Hey Disney Smart Assistant, which acts as your personal in-room concierge. You can literally speak to it to ask for extra towels from housekeeping, play Disney trivia with the kids, or set up a magical wake-up call from characters like Mickey or Goofy. When you book a stay here in the tower, you also have two main view categories to choose from, a tower resort view or a tower water view. The resort view room faces the front of the building, looking out over the grand entrance, courtyards, and the surrounding parking areas. And if you're on a higher floor, a resort view can actually give you a distant look at the Epcot or Hollywood Studios fireworks at night. On the flip side, the water view rooms are a dedicated upgrade that faces the back of the tower, giving you a beautiful look at the massive Lago Dorado lake and the rest of the sprawling resort villages. This side faces directly west, meaning you will get those sunset views right from your window in the evening. No matter which you choose, remember that these tower rooms feature massive glass windows instead of outdoor balconies, so you're getting a huge, clean wall of viewing real estate to check out the landscape before heading out for the day. Beyond your room, there's so much to explore right here at Coronado Springs. Because you're staying in the tower, you have elevator access straight up to the 16th floor for rooftop dining at Toledo or upscale cocktails at the Dahlia Lounge, both featuring some of the best panoramic views on the Disney property. You can also head right downstairs to the stunning Barcelona Lounge for your morning espresso, take a walk across the lake to enjoy dinner over the water at Three Bridges Bar and Grill, or spend an afternoon cooling off at the massive pool area built around a spectacular 50-foot Mayan pyramid. If you want to see exactly what the other rooms, suites, or full layouts look like across the property, we have a complete Coronado Springs playlist available right here on our channel that you can check out. And to make the most of your next Walt Disney World vacation, remember to reach out to your Vacationeer advisor or click the booking link down in the description. We handle every detail of the planning, from finding the perfect room and bundling your tickets to setting up dining packages so you can simply sit back, relax, and soak up the magic. Thank you so much for watching, and if this tour helped you envision your next Disney getaway, please give it a like, hit subscribe, and share it with all your Disney friends. Until next time, this is Taylor with the Vacationeer, keeping your coffee hot and your travel plans even hotter.